What's up guys, Joe from the AZ Westside Wheelers here. Today we're going to show you how to install a Rockhard 4x4 harness bar. Stick around. So here you have your Rockhard 4x4 rear harness bar for the 4-door JKU. This is going to be installed right behind the seat, and you're going to want it to kind of be level. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put this bar up and into place. You're going to have to remove your padding. It's going to be easier if you take your top off, whether it's soft or hard. It's just going to be easier. You're going to want to unzip your padding, and right here on at least the 2007 to 11s are going to have this flap. We're working on a 2010. If yours is a little newer, it might be a little different, but it's basically going to be the same thing. You're going to want to slit this down just a little further to where it can fit right through there. You'll put your clamp through and bolt your clamp up. Now, as far as this goes, you're going to want to hit right about where your passenger's chest is. So right in this chest area. So it helps if you get a passenger to sit in there. And we measured out right where this is right about where his chest sits. So this is where you're going to hook up your harness, and it's going to make it safe. Anything lower than that is going to compress the spine in an accident, and you're actually going to do more harm than help. So with the PRP harnesses, you want to make sure they're installed properly, or they're not going to help you. They're going to hurt you. And they are a safety feature, a massive safety feature when we do these kind of crazy rock crawling stuff. So stick around. I got a couple more tips. One thing I want to mention about this harness bar is they actually send a tap. And what this is you want to tap these threads out and make sure they're nice and clean. And in doing that, you're going to have a nice, easy, smooth go in with your bolts. And there's a lot of metal slag and a lot of crud that's in some of these. They're not perfect when they come from the factory. So they're actually nice enough to send this. Tap it by hand. Don't use a drill. Do it by hand. It's just going to make it a lot smoother. That way you're not going to mess up any threads. Another little quick tip, use a level. Before you suck everything down and make sure it's going where it's going, use a level. So now you've got this thing set where you want it. You want to make sure it's good to go. Then you're going to pull it all back off, take it and either paint it or have it powder coated. Okay, so if you're going to be painting this yourself, I would recommend a good self-etching primer first. Sorry for the fan noise, guys. I'm trying to get ventilation. Use you a good self-etching primer, give it a good couple of coats, and then move on to your color. We did blue, but I like the Rust-Oleum, and I also like the Rust-Oleum ×2 paint and primer in one. I don't use it as a primer. I prime myself. It's always self-etching. You should be good to go. Hook up the harnesses and you're out the door. This thing is going to make your Jeep so much safer. When you put these harnesses on, the PRP harnesses are really what suck you down and make you feel safe. So stick around, go to the channel. We're going to have more videos. We got a PRP harness video coming up soon to show you the different kinds of harnesses and which one's going to be easiest for you to use, best for your rig. So we appreciate you. Like, subscribe, and comment.